Okay, if you are someone like me who cannot hold their excitement the moment they get their products delivered, well, you know, we cannot stop until unless we have unboxed it immediately, but I have this responsibility of showing all of the things which I do on the YouTube. This is one of those videos where I'm trying to review Puja Electronics in India. I have never heard of it, never heard from anyone else too. And trust me guys, I am one of the most shopaholic person you can find. Online shopaholic, online shop junkie, I would say shopping junkie. It's not a good thing, it's really bad thing, but it is what it is. And I have ordered from plethora of websites when it comes to camera gears, electronics, gadgets. Never heard of Puja Electronics. It's on me, it's my bad. These all shops used to be one of the physical ones which have converted to online presence. And today I'm going to show you how this product arrived, why I purchased from Puja Electronics, and is it intact or everything. So the thing is that I tried to search this Zoom F6. This model was not available everywhere, so I had to kind of, you know, search everywhere wherever possible, and either it was out of stock or the price was too much elevated because they were kind of importing and things like that. I have spent all the money on, like, from myself. It's not sponsored or anything. Nothing on this channel has been sponsored. Not a single rupee has been given from any other, you know, third party sponsor companies or anything. All I got from my own money. So this is not a commercial, but even I have not unboxed. I don't know what is the condition of this. Is it used or not? But yeah, this is what it is, and I did use the promo code which is there right now, promo 1000. So this costed around 50,000 and I got 1,000 rupees off on it. So yeah, it's pretty expensive thing, and trusting for such an expensive thing on a first, you know, shop basis from a website which you don't know might be scary. It was for me, but the best thing about it, I ordered it yesterday in afternoon and it came today evening, meaning just within around 24 hours it got delivered from Mumbai to Lucknow, like one complete edge of India. Let's unbox it and let me tell you more about it. Regarding this product, there will be a separate video obviously. Let's continue. And they did deliver it from the, you know, Blue Dart, which is one of the best delivery, you know, companies in the Indian market. So these are all the things you can see they expertise in. I really am surprised why I have never heard of them. Probably people living in Maharashtra might have heard a lot of them, but this is the first time I ordered from them. And I have ordered from Fotocentre, I've ordered from, I'm a student, I've ordered from Future Forward. How did I miss them? I have heard of, you know, Bajao.com, I've heard of Raj Musical when it comes to audio video products, but why not them? But let's continue. Yeah, I have, you know, Desi Indian jugaad to unbox it. Now all these, you know, prosumer, or even I should say professional audio gear, why I am purchasing, there is a reason behind that, and that reason will be, you know, told very soon on the channel, and I'm really excited to tell that, whatever for the best quality we can provide. So like I told earlier, there is a padding apart from the usual box. So box is supposed to be inside this. Don't use this. I have been using this, so I am, you know, accustomed to it, but it might be dangerous if you have not used a razor any time earlier. Okay, so I can be sometimes dumb too. So I have a strong feeling that the surprise they told would be the part of this kit is not there. Whatever. Let's remove everything because now I'm a bit disappointed. So this is their, you know, Puja Electronics warranty and everything, the billing. Now, one funny incident, they told me that I needed some help from them to understand more about the billing process. So they did tell me that, so if you order today, we are also running a program where we will give a room thermometer, which they either were just joking about or forgot to give. But anyways, I got what I wanted to. Again, pro audio video, lot of promotion guys you are getting without any extra thing you are giving to me, but it's all right. One day. This is what I ordered. This is now guys one of the premium segment things which I should say when it comes to audio video, a bit more specialized things. So this is the Zoom F6, and as usual the warranty cards and everything properly stamped and all. Apart from the batteries from Fujitsu, 4 of them, AA batteries. Finally, the product itself, and I will take it out first just to show what's inside. So now this is the revolutionary Zoom F6, the first in the Zoom lineup to have 32-bit float recording capability. It came unused. I can see a little bit of fingerprint here and there, but yeah, I think it's kind of inspected probably. Yeah, no scratches. So if you ask me that is it safe to purchase from Puja Electronics, yes, it's safe. Please go ahead. Now do remember I ordered it before in the month of Feb. That is when I shot this video, but I'm posting it right now. And at that point of time there were very less restrictions. So due to restrictions, the delay times might be, more than earlier, but you can confirm with them on their WhatsApp or probably call them. But yes, in terms of safety, in terms of offers, in terms of product, it's genuine, the site is legit, the products come well packed with proper courier partners. So thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you loved it. See you again. See you soon guys. Bye.